Tom here from Gemba, and a huge congratulations to Tennessee Cheesecake on a brilliant AME tour. It was great to see Gemba woven into their daily work. Now, take a look at these highlights.
I want to stop in here real quick. This is our lean cave, and we were just like everybody else. We ran out of stuff. We were constantly being like, hey, where are the pins? And we've got that figured out. But this is my favorite part of Kanban is our lean cave. Just if you want to make an improvement, it's right here. You need a keychain, you need a cable tie, you need some tape, whatever you need, you can flow right in here during 3S and make an improvement super easy. Angela, what has the Lean Library meant to you? I know you're a reader, a natural reader.
Yes.
But what has the Lean Library helped you do here at Tennessee Cheesecake?
So the Lean Library has helped me really hone in on things that I thought I was good at before, like my organization skills or even my reading. It has really helped me hone in on what I'm good at. And it has helped me become a much better version of myself.
Guys, this is Jennifer.
Nice to
She's
meet
one of our
you.
top trainers, and we're standing in our clean equipment room, which used to be packed with racks, and we just had stuff hung everywhere. And as we've improved it, it's started to shrink.
Yes, it's absolutely coming together. It was utter chaos a couple of years ago in here. It really was.
Well, how has training impacted that? How has
Training?
the training program helped to reduce that chaos?
Our training program is all about the standards. Having standards now has completely changed our whole training. It simplifies things. It simplifies. We have our standards up here. This is our Lean Library for our multi-station.
And that's this equipment over here. And they're fairly complex depositing equipment that we use on the line.
Yes.
And you use these standards
Yes, sir.
to train our team.
Yes, sir. And it is step by step, and it has made it so much easier for when we train. You know, everyone is different. Everyone trains different. They train at a different pace. But these steps right here, if they literally follow every step, then by the end of the library, the whole multi-station is set up, and it's in a lot less time. It used to take about 30 minutes or so to put together a multi-station. Now, if they're trained and everything's right, they can do it in about 15 minutes, which is cut down half the time.
Going to pop into maintenance. Not only do we fix all our own equipment, we design and build a lot of our own equipment. So this is where they work. We have a small machine shop, but the real highlight of this is the organizing we've done. Just the basic lean tools like Kanban. It is our goal to get it to where you can just flow right into here, pick up an item, make a repair. But it's not perfect. We're still working really hard to get this, to where everything's got a place and everything's on Kanban.
So the first big improvement that we made when I first got here is it used to live all the way in the back, where it was really far away. And we brought it here to the middle of the plant to make access really easy and to just make it visible. You can see the chemical cage every day when you're walking by. You're gonna know to fix things, rearrange things, all that good stuff. So we came up with this idea. Right here, you got your tag, your Kanban card, everything else. We just put it all on one.
Yeah, so this is the
right here.
Location label,
SDS, which we'll talk about. And then you've got your Kanban card down there. Pull that out, you're good to go. But the great thing about this, it's magnetic. When we rearrange things in here, which we do frequently, or we move it around, it's not stuck on. We don't have to scrape it off of there and move it somewhere else. So that is a fun one right there. The other thing too is our SDSs, which are safety data sheets, are around the corner in a binder over here. And you have to rifle through the binder to find the SDS you're looking for. Yes, they're alphabetical order, but still takes time. And when you need it,
yeah, I mean, there's tabs. This is pretty good.
Yeah, it's decent, but could it be better? Yes, right? So in the name of improvement, okay, so you can just use the QR code to pull up your SDS and get it right away.